Your competitors' customers are literally listing out every weakness online for free. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to find all of it, so you know exactly where to position yourself to win. All right, first thing, open up Perplexity AI. We're using this specifically because it pulls live data from the web. Reddit, G2, Trustpilot, real reviews, not just stuff from its training data. I've included a prompt file with this tutorial. Open it up. It's called competitor-analysis-prompts.md. Scroll down to prompt 1. Copy that whole block. For this tutorial, I'm using Notion as the competitor. It's a popular productivity tool that a ton of people are switching away from right now, and you'll see why in a second. Paste it in and hit enter. Watch what happens. So it's hitting G2, Reddit, Trustpilot, Capterra, pulling actual patterns from thousands of real user reviews. And it's organizing everything into what customers love and what they hate. Here's where it gets interesting. The complaints. Look at this. People are frustrated with surprise charges when they add a team member. The AI features are locked behind a $20 plan. The app gets slow with big workspaces, and there's no offline mode. These aren't random one-off reviews. These are patterns across thousands of people. Now grab that complaints list, copy it, and head over to ChatGPT. Go back to the prompt file and grab prompt 2. Paste prompt 2 in. The complaints are already pre-filled in the file from real Notion reviews, so you can just paste and go for this demo. Hit send. Now this is where it clicks. ChatGPT is taking those raw complaints and turning them into an actual business strategy. It's telling you the top 3 weaknesses, the market gap you can go after, and the exact messaging angle to use in your marketing. See that last one, the marketing message? That's something you can literally use in an ad or a landing page today. You're not guessing. You're responding directly to what real customers are already frustrated about. 2 prompts and 2 tools, and now you know your competitors' blind spots better than they probably do. Grab the prompt file from the description, swap in your own competitor's name, and run it yourself. You'll be surprised what comes up.